Look, everyone says just love coding, but how do you actually get there? Especially when you're stuck debugging for 3 hours just to find a missing semicolon. It's not about forcing yourself, it's about hacking your brain. So let me do that for you. Step 1, fuel your curiosity. Treat code like a puzzle, not a chore. Think about it. Why do people binge Netflix or play video games for hours? Dopamine. Your brain crave rewards. Start small, like can I build a script that send my friends 100 memes at 2 a.m.? Okay, maybe not. But you get it. Make it fun. Build something you care about. You actually care about. A boring portfolio? Yeah, aside. The play is your victory theme. When someone visit, that's fire. Use APIs, mess with CSS, break things, curiosity spread fast. Step 2. Build a coding ritual. Here is a secret. Obsession is just consistency in disguise. Code at the same time daily, even 20 minutes. Soon your brain will crave it like coffee. Try Pomodoro 25-minute coding and 5-minute break. Use tools like a toggle track or Forest. Turn it into a game. Miss a day, no guilt, just get back. Try coding in public, not literally outside. Sharing your progress on Twitter, GitHub, Discord, accountability work, and yes, flexing your hello world is a rite of passage. Step 3. Learn like a hacker. Don't just watch, just do it. Break things, fix them, then repeat. Open source is your playground. Bad at algorithms, greenlit code, hate CSS, build 10 ugly buttons, then make them clean. I once cried over recursion. Now we are best friends. Growth is weird. Step 4. Find your coding trip. You have heard of rubber duck debugging? Explain your code out loud. Better yet, explain it to people. Join dev.to, Hashnode, or communities that act like we don't need peoples, but we do. Collaborate, teach. Nothing gets harder than realization. Wait, I actually know this. Step 5. Master the art of lazy efficiency. Here's the truth. Obsessed coders are not just hardcore. They are lazy, and by lazy, I mean efficient. Why type 100 lines when a loop can do it? Why manually test code when you can automate it? Work smarter, code harder, use script for repetitive tasks. Push Python, even GitHub Actions. Let robots do the boring work. I automated my deployments last month. Now I hit a button and my code deploys while I eat chips. You call it laziness? Nah, genius. Step 6. Save this video. When you are stuck, come back and I will personally yell at you to keep going.